Hey, this is Carly with Kanileʻa ʻUkulele. Over here I have an Islands Tenor Premium. Now with our ISL model, we're going to have the Hawaiian Islands inlaid with beautiful Paola abalone, and as well as for the front position markers, player side markers, as well as the logo. And this piece of koa is definitely, I see this every time, but definitely a gorgeous piece. I really like the kind of thicker curls down here, and then it gets a little bit straightened out at the top. So pretty unique piece of koa, and yeah, let's just listen to how this beautiful tenor sounds.